Kababayan natin dyan sa Pilipinas, andito na po tayo ngayon sa Egypt, kung saan
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hello ka guys! Welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Cagas. Ka guys, for today's video, andito tayo sa labas. At saka mag-prepare kami going to the sea. Mag-snorkeling kami. At before ko po yan gagawin ngayon, kasi po nag-chat po si Jenny sa akin na, kasi diba may college ako sa Pilipinas, diba? Nag-chat siya na may klase sila this week. So, kailangan ko magpadala ng pera. So, if you're asking kung saan ako nagpapadala ng pera sa Pilipinas, I only use Sendwave. Bakit po sa Sendwave ako nagpapadala ng pera? Kasi po, wala po silang transaction fee at saka competitive rate sila. So, it means malaki ang rate ng Sendwave. Tsaka, padala ka, wala kang mabayaran kahit centavos, kahit 1 euro, 3 euro, wala kang mabayaran. It's all free. Okay? So, ano pong ginagawa ko? Kasi iPhone ang ginagamit ko ngayon, pupunta ko ng App Store. So, pagpunta mo ng App Store, pag new ka lang, kapag bago mo lang ito narinig ang Sendwave app, punta ka sa App Store, hanapin nyo po yung Sendwave app or Sendwave, tapos i-download nyo po. After download ay i-register nyo po yon. After nyo po mag-register, lagay nyo po details doon, tsaka bank account, para makapag-send na po kayo ng pera. And kapag andun na po kayo sa Sendwave app, for example, dito kayo, pakita ko sa inyo ang app ko. Ayan. Ay, hindi nyo makita. Basta, nandito natin sa Sendwave app. Ayan. Kapag andyan na po kayo, mamili po kayo kung saan nyo po ipapadala. It's either GCash, bank account, or cash pick up. Okay? So, kapag first sender ka po, bago ka lang po dito sa Sendwave, punta ka po dito sa may tao na icon. Kasi po sa tao na icon, makita nyo po doon ang promo code. Ang promo code doon, ilagay nyo po ang CAGAS. C-A-G-A-S. CAGAS. Para makakuha po ng 15 euro in your first transfer. For example, nagpapadala ka ngayon ng 30 euro. For example lang ha, 30 euro. Ang makuha nila lahat, ipadala mo sa Pilipinas, o kahit sa Asia ba, 30 euro yung ipapadala mo, tapos plus 15 euro pa. So, 30 plus 15, magkano man? 45. So, 45 euro ang matatanggap sa Pilipinas. Pwede rin Philippine money ang makatatanggap nila. So, wala ka pang babayaran na transaction fee, meron ka pang makakuha ang 15 euro kapag gagamitin mo po yung code ko na CAGAS, C-A-G-E-S. 15 euro, malaki na po ito 15 euro. Uy, saan mahanapin 15 euro? Almost 1,000 na po yun sa Pilipinas. Makabili ka na po ng bigas, pagkain, mga sabon, ano po dyan gustong bilhin. So, I only trust Sendwave kasi po, magpapadala ako doon. After ko magpadala doon, darating ang pera usually within minutes. So, parang walang isang oras, wala pang aberya, walang kuskus balungos, darating na yung pera doon. It's either po cash pick up, bank account, or GCash. Iba uso sa atin ng i-GCash mo yan. So, doon, pwede lang matanggap GCash to GCash. So, mas mainam, mas maganda, i-Sendwave mo na. So, ngayon, download nyo na po ang Sendwave, gamitin mo yung code ko. Kasi po, kapag isa kang ina o isa kang OFW, dapat magiging wise ka sa gamitin mo. Dapat magiging wise ka sa pera kung saan mo ipapadala, kung saan app mo ipapadala. Kasi po, pinaghirapan natin yan, yung hard-earned money natin yan, di ba? So, pinagpawisan, pinagpuyatan, iniiyakan. Kaya dapat, you only trust yung app kung saan kayo sigurado na matanggap ng pamilya nyo po sa Pilipinas. Kung andito ka ngayon sa USA, gamitin mo po yan. Kung isend mo sa Pilipinas, kung andito ka sa Canada, gamitin mo yan. Kung andito ka sa France, Italy, Belgium, dito sa Europe, padala po doon sa Pilipinas, pwede yan. Pwede po ipadala sa Pilipinas, ipadala mo po siya sa Asian countries, pwede yan. Okay? So, ano pa hinihintay nyo po? Sendwave muna yan. Hi, where are we going now, Joey?
Back home.
Not back home. We are going to dolphin tour.
Dolphin tour, yeah.
Kaya nagsuot ako ng ligo kasi nga mag-dolphin tour, mag-swimming kami. So now we're going to the lobby, doon kami inom ng kape while waiting sa aming sasakyan namin. So, pipick up kasi kami doon. So, nag-prepare ako na pangligo na, o, diba? Very dolphin tour. Let's go. Anyway, kaano pala, gising, naligo ako para fresh tayo papunta doon, nag-brush. Tayo na. Hi, Joey.
Welcome back to another vlog.
So, I just drink my coffee. That's why my mood is back.
Wow.
And then I went to the toilet. That's why all my mood is already.
Tell guys more about your toilet.
They know already, and also the color. The color. Bank. That's my bank. Private bank. That's what I save my. So,
Stop telling us.
guys, we are going to the dolphin tour. So, dalawa lang kami ngayon ni Joey, and then there's more 2 people in the other hotel na i-pick up nila. So, 4 kami lahat. Pero, ang sabi tinanong namin siya kung sa boat ba. The boat is sinking, rope yourself into one. So, sa boat, we are only 2, no? In the boat.
No, in the boat there are more.
Echt?
In the hotel just 2.
Okay.
Then boat more.
Okay, the boat more. It's okay, so it's not so dangerous. No?
It's not dangerous.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not dangerous, but also for our. Basta alam nyo na yun. No, you know that ka, guys. So, nagsuot na kami nga nito. And to Joey, did you bring your
Snorkeling?
Nee, sun protection?
I already protected.
Me, I bring it here.
Yeah, I saw.
So I can put it here when we are in the boat. So I'm so excited, and it's my first time. It will be my first time to see a dolphin personally, and I hope there's a dolphin. Because if there's no dolphin, they will give me my 30 euro back. It costs 30 euro po pala ang pagpunta sa dolphin, tapos transfer, lahat-lahat. So, magbigay ka lang ng kunting tip para sa sa boat doon, at sa driver dito. Hay, lahat, alam nyo, kahit nakabook na lahat, hindi lang yan ang babayaran mo. Kasi mabait tayong tao, nagbibigay tayo ng tip. Sabi pa ni Joey, ay, itong bakasyon na to, tip tayo nito. Sana yung mga German na mga guest ko sa hotel magbigay din ng tip ng palagi. Ibalik ko yung nagasto ko dito. Wow! Saudi Arabia. Egypt.
We are sitting now in bus. We need to go for a second hotel. Passengers.
Wow, this is the boat. I think so. Wow, look at here, the fishes. The small fishes.
Guppies.
Fishes. I think that is ginamos.
Dirty here. This half this port is very.
Look guys, nakita nyo ba? Maliliit na isda. Wow.
Very, very dirty. Oh, this port is so dirty.
What? Just enjoy. Yeah.
Watch your feet.
Wow.
Small feet. Watch this. Sky guys.
Yeah.
Watch this. Filipino German food.
So guys, today is the day that we're gonna see dolphin in our own eyes. So kayo, makita nyo lang sa video ko. Kaya, panoorin nyo po hanggang dulo. Here far, wherever. Say tayo tari. Here far, wherever you are. So there's no dirt on the boat. So hindi kami nagsapatos, tingnan nyo po. Kinuha po ang aming mga sapatos na lagay doon para hindi siya ma-dirty. Uy, wow, there's a lot of fishes there. the middle of the sea, in the ocean, we can dive, we can snorkeling, and see the dolphin.
Maybe, if we have luck. There's no guarantee that we see those.
Yeah, but yesterday the man here showed me the video that there's a lot.
He said it was yesterday, but...
This one is always regular.
No, I know the salary sentences. And
But are you excited?
I'm not naive.
Are you excited?
I'm excited, yeah.
Okay, then stay here if you are excited. If you are excited,
Nice to meet you.
stay here. So, itong boat na to ay meron siyang there's a toilet.
Captain said we
Toilet,
drive
oh.
maybe 10 hours.
Toilet.
10 hours on the sea.
Do you want a toilet tour? Toilet tour. Uy, you make a vlog?
I also make vlog. Please watch my vlog. Subscribe, Ollie and me.
I'm so happy that Joe is here because we can dive
Underwater.
in the water with the camera because of this protection.
It's my 360-degree camera.
Plus degree, 360, no?
360 degree, yeah.
Yeah. And whew, the excitement of my feelings is inside my heart.
Oh, and this is the toilet here.
At first, you need to make a signature, your name there. So if something's happened, they can locate you that you are part of this team. Medical condition.
Statement. And a signature that I don't get bite by sharks.
What? If shark bite you, they will pay you. The shark will pay you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, Hogada.
Go back to Germany. We're not yet here. So one of the photographer here told me, oh, go there, I will make a photo with you. But I'm so excited later if we go back home in the port, maybe, okay, I will give you the photo and maybe. I think that's normal.
€5.
For one photo?
I think.
And I hope it's the best photo, so it's memorable.
That was very professional as well. But I also did photos for you.
Yeah, but if it's not so expensive, maybe I will take it and photo.
Just for tips. But I don't have much money
Then
anymore.
I will make a frame. Guys, we were upstairs kasi po nag-program. It means nagsabi yung tao dito kung ano ang mga rules na gagawin. At dito pala maya, may pagkain dito later. So, inclusive na yun sa binabayaran namin na €30. Tingnan niyo po si Joey. Tingnan niyo po guys, nag-stop sila dyan kasi daw akala nila nandyan na yung dolphin. Wala man kaming dolphin nakakita. Puro may mga tao at boat. Ayan. So ang sabi nila, dito daw ang dolphin. So we need to look. The dolphin! Ayan. Ayan ang dolphin. Nakita ko na yung ano sa fins.
Thank you.
Wow! Nandiyan yung dolphin ka guys. Nakita ko na. Ayan, look! Wow! Kailangan natin lumapit doon para mas makita natin. So, lapitan pa kunti para mas makita natin ang dolphin. Guys, look! There's a dolphin there. Ayan. Dolphins there. But we are too far. Ayan, nag-snorkeling na sila yung dolphin. Ayan guys. Wow! There. Ayan, dolphin is gone. Wait, there! My God, yung dolphin, umalis na. My dolphins are gone. Because a lot of people. Because a lot of people, dolphins are gone. Wala, jump. Jump. Guys, dolphins are there. Look. Yan, mabuti pa sila. Nahawakan na nila. Ay, mabuti pa sila. Malapit na sa dolphin. Oh, abot kamay nila ang dolphin. There, yeah. Yan. Kitang-kita ko sa harapan ko ang dolphin pero
Yes. Come on here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on here.
come on here.
Go here, Chatsi.
Guys, look. This is the dolphin there.
Whoop. Come on, baby. Whoop. Come on, baby. Whoop.
Ayan, oh.
Come on, baby.
There ka guys, ayan, nakita niyo po, ayan. Wow!
Whoa.
4 dolphins, 4. Yeah, it's a family.
Whoa.
There.
Come on, baby. Come on.
There.
Yes.
Go guys, yan. Lapit-lapit na talaga kami sa dolphins. Ayun, pumunta siya dito. Punta ka dito, come. Come here.
Whoop.
Hello! Wow! Come to us. And now it's gone.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say
Guys, andun na si Joey. Yan na si Joey guys, oh. Guys, ganina naglangoy na ako hanggang pumunta ko dun sa pinakamalayo, tapos bumalik ako kasi I feel tired. Na ano na ako na super na I feel tired na kasi swimming ba, tapos pagtingin ko doon daming mga isda, daming mga coral reefs. Kaya sabi ko kay Joey na, Joey, let's go back kasi di ko na kayang mag-swimming. Hindi ko na kaya ba tawag nito I feel tired na ba? Di ko na kaya mag-swimming pa. Kaya si Joey bumalik siya dito sa akin. Doon na kami kanina, malayo na. Tapos sabi ko, Joey, balik tayo. Sabayan mo ko pagbalik kasi di ko kaya ba, baka ano mayari sa akin, walang makakatulong. Bumalik siya. Salay tayo ngayon pero may sabihin ako sa iyo. Sabi ni Joey, Oliver, kailangan mo ng sport training kasi mabilis lang daw ako mapagod pag swimming. Sabi ko, kaya nga, siguro kailangan ko din. Tapos hindi puyat palagi para kapag ganito ba, makaswimming tayo. Kasi di ba yung lungs mo kasi kailangan mo ihano ganun para makapag-swimming ka ng maganda. Sa Joey, hay nako. Sabi, hay nako. Kung hindi lang dahil sa hindi na ako babalik. Kasi di ba, pupunta na doon, malayo na yung kasama namin. Kung bumalik pa rin siya for me. Doon siya, oh. Joey! Joey! This sign daw dapat. Kailangan kapag this sign, it means all good. Kapag kailangan mo ng tulong, ganito. Maybe that about no here. Better. Ne, fresh. Nemo. Yan na sila. Sa Joey, follow din siya. Guys, nasa gitna talaga kami ng dagat. Nasa gitna kami ng karagatan at dito kami mag-swimming. Ako mag-swimming ako mamaya ulit pero dito lang sa malapit. Dito lang yung makaswimming ako, balik ako agad dito sa aming area. Kasi kapag malayo na, layo pa. May boat din dito kasama, oh. Sa ibang side. Hello guys. Guys, siya po yung taga-save sa amin. Yung lubid na yan, siya yung naglagay doon sa pinakadulo. Kaya siya nagtrabaho rin siya dito, staff siya. So siya taga-lagay doon sa lubid para magstay kami dito. Anyway, it's our second stop dito. Second stop, no? This one. We had our first stop and this one is our second stop.
Yeah, and you will stay near the boat.
I will stay in the near end of the boat so I can, if I feel tired, can go back if I feel panic attack.
And if anybody needs help, you can help him.
So I work here? I work here.
You're Filipino, you can go swimming. I think.
But you can good swim, no you?
I also can swim.
You can swim good, like.
But we learned this in school. In school, third class,
Yeah?
fourth class. In every school in Germany, you learn
That
swimming.
Ovi told me that also. But in the school, I didn't learn it from home.
But we currently we don't have swimming teachers, so if you can swim and you want to come to Germany, so this is stuff we need.
It's the opportunity.
Yeah, stuff opportunity.
But you need to drink the water there first.
Huh?
But you need to drink the water in the ocean before you
all the water.
all the water.
Oh, would we say bird?
Joey want to dive now.
Yeah, snorkeling, not dive.
Ah, snorkeling. Dive, dive. Dive. Woo! Where are you?
عند الحتة الغزيرة اللي من برا.
Ich brauche noch diese Jacke. Bis gleich, enjoy. Guys, Yeah, me too. What happened? Was passiert? Try si Joey, oh, nasa ano na. Nasa loob ng ano si Joey, oh. Joey, eating lunch.
That's my eat.
Second time. Second round. Second round. What an appetite.
The Egyptians like rice and pasta.
Guys, yung pangalan ng island na yan ay Giftu. Island po siya, pero walang mga kahoy, walang mga ano. Itong island daw yan ay may ginagawa ang government nila dito. And then island yan, ang likod niyan ay dagat. Pagkatapos ng dagat ay ang Israel. So, nasa likod niya ng island na yan ay Israel na. Pangalang island ay Giftu. Kasi nga palagi ako nagtatanong sa mga tao dito kung anong pangalan ng island na yan, kung saan ang Israel banda. Sabi niya, sa likod nito is Israel. So, mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pilipinas, andito na po tayo ngayon sa Egypt, kung saan makita na po natin ang tanawin ng Israel. But Israel is tinanong ako kanina ba? Nagtanong kanina, sabi ko, saan palang Israel dito? Sabi niya, oh, are you from Israel or where? Sabi ko, from the Philippines. Ano to, ingranding pasyalan sa dagat. Grabe itong dagat na to ay. Alam mo yung mga minsan-minsan natin ginagawa, makikita lang natin sa TV na mga may yate, yung mga social na yung mayaman lang maka-afford. Ngayon, afford na natin. At hindi lang sa Pilipinas natin na nagawa, pwede dito sa North Africa. Sa Egypt. Wow! Linis ng tubig dito ba? Dito ang tubig na to sa in the middle of the ocean. Super linis ang tubig. At saka clear, kaya nagswimming kami kanya nilijoy dito, super clear na wala talagang dumi, wala talagang mga plastic. Yan, nagswimming na naman siya ulit para kukunin niya yung ano doon, yung nakalagay doon. Kailangan niyang kunin na siya para makapag-drive na, ma-under na yung ano, yung lubid dyan ay kukunin na. Tapos siya yung kasama, si Ahmed ang pangalan. Uy, may isda, oh, dami isda, oh, isda. Wow, isda. Ah, isda. Yan o, may isda, maliliit. Akala ko dolphin, tao pala. Yun, mga isda, look.
Anong labra?
Yung mga isda, oh. Dami, oh. Guys, namimingwit sila. Namimingwit. Nag-fishing sila dito. Sana marinig nyo po ang sinasabi ko kasi namimingwit tong lalaking to. Joey is there. No fish. Dito po ako ngayon nakaupo. Mas maganda ang view dito kaysa doon. Kasi po ang view ko dito ay ang karagatan ng Egypt. So yung lalaki namimingwit, hindi pa niya kinukuha ulit yung lubid. Wow! Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Hey, عايز كم واحد؟ Hey. مصطفى عايز كم واحد؟
Banana. Kami ni Joey guys, tapos na kami mag-banana boat. Kami ang pinakaunang sumakay doon. So, hindi ako naka-camera, but si Joey naka-video siya. So, panoorin nyo na po sa video ni Joey kasi andun yung sumakay kami ng boat. Hindi man ako makadala ng camera kasi nga po ang camera ko maano ng tubig, hindi siya waterproof. Sa kanya waterproof. 1,000 lang siya. 1,000. Ahmed! Good? Alam mo yung mga staff dito mabait. Kapag mabait kasi kanila, mabait din sila. Basta mapansin ko na they are very friendly, they are very accommodating. Ayan na sila, oh.
Where are you going? Du går stadigvæk godt falde af, Jimmy. Du går stadigvæk godt nå at falde af. Roma.
Guys, uwian na. Dadaong na po kami.
Ambot ni Moy.
Yan? What did you say?
Sana all.
Ambot ni mo, oy. You like it?
Yeah, it was very funny. Not in this.
Do you like this? Do you like our trip today?
Yeah, it was very funny.
Dolphin tour, but
But on the
no
dolphin
dolphin.
tour, we didn't snorkeling with dolphins.
Then we eat here with a lot of people, meet new people from Romania, from Belgium, from Netherlands, from I don't
Everywhere.
know, everywhere. Amin doon ay naghihintay na po.
Sorry.
Call.
Yeah.
Call.
And now?
We gonna cross. We gonna cross the bridge. Little bridge. Ay!
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. But you know the staff here are very friendly, no?
Yeah, because I want tips.
No, even if without tips, they are very friendly.
I know.
And did you recognize? Did you observe that a lot of people here, the Egyptian, are always smiling at me? They are friendly at me. Did you observe it?
Yeah, because you go to the people and say hello
Yeah.
and how are you?
Yeah.
And you are the first who is friendly.
Yeah.
You know, that's the reason.
Yeah, that's why
I'm a typical German, so I need a little bit more meters between me and the others.
so
I'm a little bit more shy than you.
come here. Our car, this is our car. So I observed that they are friendly to me. They always say hello, it's nice to meet you. Are you from China? They always ask me, no? I'm not from China.
I don't know.
I saw dolphins.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is your name?
What Mahmoud?
Hamoud.
Mahmoud. Känner du då Sean?
Ahmad, hello, our driver.
Hello, baby.
So we're gonna... So dito na kami sa kayan. Basa po ako, I'm wet. I'm wet, but it's okay because later we need 20 minutes and then we are there in the hotel, okay?
I think 30 minutes.
Look at my eyes, oily because I put some sunscreen. Guys, that is for today. Tapos na po aming dolphin tour. Dito na kami sa bahay. May bitbit ako dito kasi po transfer ko yung video ko para makapag-edit ako dito. Kasi sabi namin ni Joey na mamaya na kami pumunta sa labas o dyan sa reception para makapag-relax muna kami. At si Joey ngayon naligo. Ako unang naligo. Naligo na ako. Kaya umaga naligo ako. Doon na naman naligo ko sa dagat. Ngayon naligo ulit. Ganon talaga ang buhay kapag palagi ka naligo sa dagat. So kailangan linis and the finalization of today. So tingnan nyo naman, I'm very brown. Kapag darating ako sa Germany, yung mga parents ko sabihin nila, Oliver, hindi ka na namin kilala. Baka hindi ka nakilalanin ni Andy. No, namiss ko si Andy. Namiss ko maglakad-lakad with him. Namiss ko magpunta-punta dun sa maglakad-lakad sa kanya, pakainin. So, after nitong bakasyon na to, tayo trabaho ulit. At saka birth month ko po pala ngayon, baka niyo po alam, September po kasi is my birthday. So September 21, we have a party sa bahay. Mag-i-invite ako ng mga friends ko. Pero mga ibang friends, nag-invite na ako. Yung ibang friends, nagsabi na hindi sila, kinansel nila. Sabi nila at first, oh punta ako, ikaw pa ba bunso? kasi alam nyo ba kung sino nagsabi sa akin na bunso? Kilala nyo niya kung sino sa Team Bilmani ang palagi nagsabi, hey bunso, kilala nyo yan. Una sabi niya, punta ako, ikaw pa ba? Tapos ngayon nag-cancel siya. Alam ko ang iba pupunta, but we gonna surprise you guys, okay? So, hindi mo na sabihin natin ngayon kasi kapag sabihin nila, pupunta si basta marami sa mga Team Bilmani pa rin ang pupunta, okay? At ibang-iba kong friends na mga closest friends ko, pupunta din po sila. Sana yung taga-Pilipinas na imbitahan ko sana na pupunta din doon sa bahay. At yung iba ay doon sa hotel matutulog. Yung iba ay uuwi kasi malapit lang din sa bahay. Yung iba, so I hope na-enjoy po pala kayo sa dolphin tour. Though hindi kami nakapag-dive o nakapag-snorkeling doon sa dolphin malapit. Kasi yung iba na, may nauna na kasi na kapag nauna na yung ibang boat ba at saka hindi pwede na maraming mag-snorkeling na malapit sa dolphin kasi po ang dolphin ay wild animals, diba? Andun lang sila. At saka yung dolphin ay masa-stress kapag maraming mag-snorkeling. So hindi na kami nakapagpunta doon. But andun lang kami sa medyo lapit-lapit lang din. I hope na napanood nyo po yung video na may dolphin. I hope na nakita nyo to sa video, no? I-zoom in ko naman yun. Okay.